should always pray for Tinubu and Shettima success.
Yeah, Masterpiece of 419 advance fee fraud has spoken. That is governor of Imo State. The man that is good on that game, obtaining by false pretense. 419. See, let me tell you, to craft stories, deceitful stories, deception story is not a hard job for Hope Uzodimma. Just give him time. He will draft a complete story, buying your psychology, buying your mind, cage it in, and you begin to pay dollars. Hey, Igbo man, my kinsmen where I come from can never, ever believe such crafty story. Hope Uzodimma is trying to tell us that Shettima and Tinubu will change the destiny of Igbo man. Well, wonders shall never end. One thing I see in this life is when you are talking today, saying, see, something dangerous has happened today, tomorrow another one will come and happen again. Wonders shall never end. Wonders shall always be occurring and reoccurring over time and over time again. Wonders shall never end. Hope Uzodimma is trying to educate me on what is going on in Nigeria. When an average Igbo man knows that he is on his own. Igbo man is for himself. We are not leaning on government. Government has gone long way to disrespect the Igbos, to neglect and turn their back on Igbo land. Hope Uzodimma is not the one that will talk us into believing an illegitimate government of Tinubu and Shettima. We are the Igbos, we can never believe Hope. This man that is addressing the Igbos to believe Shettima and Tinubu, did he win an election in Imo State? That's the question. These are the questions every Igbo man should be asking themselves now. Because Hope Uzodimma did not win an election, he stole Emeka Oha's mandates. There's no two ways about it, and there's no how I can paint something that is bad into at least gold. What is bad is bad. Hope Uzodimma stole Emeka Oha's mandate. That's why war started in Imo State almost 4 years now, non-stopping. He stole what belongs to his kinsman. And what escalated to bloody pogrom today in Imo State, even in the whole Igbo land, all the local government started then. Immediately, he used the late Abakari under Buhari regime, that is Buhari's watch, stole Emeka Oha's mandate. Everywhere went agog in Imo State, in Igbo land throughout. Hope Uzodimma is the cause of the problem. So telling us this kind of story is he is still opening his nudity, his nakedness to the Igbo man. Hope Uzodimma can abo onwe oto. Onokata nokato ipu akwa ya gbala oto na egosi aya amu. Asi ka na asi. He said dancing naked. Because no matter story, no matter how he pets it, no matter how he paints it, no matter how he crafts it, all these crafted stories are heading to one place. That is deception. And it's only people that has abject cerebral derailment. People that have what? Bad memory, whose brain are not working in order. If you can remember too well, you will know that Hope Uzodimma started what is happening in Imo State today. The whole Igbo land. In 2019, there was nothing like killing in Igbo land. It was after the election that brought Hope Uzodimma that Igbo, Imo, Enugu, Anambra, everywhere caught fire. That is raging till today. That fire has not stopped. And they're trying to tell us now that it's Tinubu and Shettima, the enemies of the Igbos, that will give Igbos what they want. The ancestors, the people originally that God created in that land, they will never allow him go free for saying this. Tinubu and Shettima bakwaku. Tinubu and Shettima inye ndi Igbo ihe ha chọrọ. Nna na wa o ndị ala na agba. Tinubu and Shettima bakwaku. Oga what Igbo man is needed in this life is only God and the Igbo man. It is not Tinubu or Shettima. It's a lie. We work hard. We know how far we've gone in life. We don't depend on Yoruba man, nor we depend on Hausa man. It's a lie. We are businessmen. We are entrepreneurs. We are enterprising in all facets of what? Life. Government money is not in Igbo land. Individual money, sweat money is in Igbo land. Igbo man doesn't steal government money. The fact that Nigeria is like this, we know the two tribes that cause it is Hausa and Yoruba. So I don't know where Hope is driving his, point to. Tinubu Shettima helping Igbo man. As how? As how?
Maybe believe in their.
Oh God, forget Hope himself is a 419 now. He's the man we know. We know more than you people whom Hope is. Advanced fee fraud star, giant, champion, a driver to Okole, Maurice Ibekwe, the popular Igbo man. He's driver. So I don't know what he wants us to believe again in this country. So Hope now will sell story, craft out all this 419 story and sell it out. And he thinks it's gonna sell. It's not gonna sell, it's not going anywhere, it's not marketable. The marketability of what he's selling right now is no longer selling. He's selling out 419 format. It can't work. Igbo man will not even look at this format 2 times before believing that it is 419 story. Oga, Shettima and Tinubu, they are minding their business now, siphoning billions, building residence at Abuja worth of billions, buying Toyota SUV for all the ministers, all the governors, for all the lawmakers to give them their support. They are making money, stealing Nigerian money. They will not buy for me. They will not buy for me. I don't want them to buy for me. See, they are siphoning money. Maybe they will buy for your father. See, let me tell you. What I'm trying to say is that they will be busy doing their business. We the Igbos, we are busy doing our business.
So, yeah.
So what I'm trying to tell is that persecution of the Igbo man, marginalization of the Igbo man has gone further than that. It has gone further than telling us 419 stories. The whole Nigerians are dying of hunger, both the people that support Tinubu and the people that did not support him. So I don't see the gain for the people that voted for Tinubu. All of them are hungry. We are hungry, everybody. There is no food. Okay? Transportation is high. I am paying. People who voted for Tinubu and Shettima, they are paying. So all of us are benefiting from the hard time. Okay, the benefit of hard time is what? Hardship, suffering, hunger. So what I'm trying to say is that we have gone beyond this. We have gone beyond deception of any man or by any man. There's no story Hope Uzodimma can tell me today as Igbo man that will make me believe. To believe him, it's a lie. It can never.
Okay, thank you. Okay, good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
Okay, we've seen Ohaneze spokesman, Izu Guzoro. Yeah, so he has come and said that is not Tinubu that is holding, it's not Tinubu DSS and AGF and Bintayako that is holding Nnamdi Kanu. That is Southeast leaders, the governors, that is pressuring Tinubu not to release Nnamdi Kanu. And that not that it's Tinubu fault, but it's the Southeast governor that don't want Nnamdi to come out from detention, that they are pressuring Tinubu to keep him there. And the DSS boss, what do you see? What can I say?
Thank you very much, my brother, and thank you very much, our viewers all over the world. May God bless you, wherever you are. Bless your business and your children in the mighty name of Jesus. Yes, thank you very much. That's why I tell you that we don't have a leader. We don't have Ohaneze. What we have is Ohanebu. What Igbo has is Ohanebu. Nothing like Ohaneze.
So you don't believe they don't believe what is
Ohaneze. They are not our leader. They are not a leader. What we need to be Ohaneze of Biafra. We don't need the Ohaneze of Nigeria. The Ohaneze of Fulanis. How can you say that it's our leaders? How can you open up and say it's not Tinubu and Gumi that hold Nnamdi Kanu? Who hold Nnamdi Kanu?
He says Igbo governor.
Igbo governors. Okay, without Igbo governors, you cannot release it. You cannot release Nnamdi Kanu. Apart from Igbo governors, forget their saboteurs, forget their selfish interests. You can't release Nnamdi Kanu. After the highest court in Nigeria have declared him A free man that you have no question, you have no deceit to answer. That is a free man. What of Manami? Manami is an Igbo man. The Manami that woke up said no. Under Buhari regime. If you did not mention that one. What of Bitanyanko? The Fulanis. They are Fulanis. The Bitanyanko. Manami them. This is Guzro did not mention about those people. You are starting to opening, making, coming out to entire. They're making out to say that it's our leaders, it's an Igbo leaders, the governors. Of course, if you are told it's them, as a leader that you are, as elders, what have you contribute as a leaders? Your brother don't inside the DSS custody.
Let's go and visit. The last time I think they went there to visit Nnamdi Kanu. But he said some people they just go there and go and snap picture. There isn't Nnamdi Kanu matter for political gain and financial gain.
That is what I told you. Nnamdi Kanu have know all them. You know them all. You understand them. You understand where they are heading to. You understand all of them. Nnamdi Kanu is not the crayfish that you can just go and use the 10 naira and buy. He refused. They are afraid of releasing Nnamdi Kanu because why they are afraid of releasing Nnamdi Kanu? Because they don't know what is going to happen next. They don't know. So Nigeria is confused. They are confused about Nnamdi Kanu. They are totally confused. I said these people, they are not our leader. They are only there to collect their Ghana must go. I said the Ohaneze will have is Ohaneze of Fulani. The Ohaneze will want is Ohaneze of Biafra. The promised land. The promised land. That is Ohaneze will want. Not all those the Fulani followers. What do the Ohaneze have contributed about Nnamdi Kanu? If you are told it's our leader, it's our governors that are holding Nnamdi Kanu. What have they contribute to make sure that they bring that our innocent brother out? They are there for the fight for their brother, and brought their brother out. What of Northern? They fight to bring their brother out. Where the Easterners are just dancing like cockroach day by day with the Fulanis because of their selfish interest. I thought they're not fighting for their people. They're only fighting for their pocket. Of course, their children are not here. Their children are not here. See what the masses of the Igbos are passing through in Nigeria. What in the Ghanaian justice Nigeria, I mean the Igbos are passing through in Nigeria. Their children overseas enjoying. You go so governors and the senators. Their children are overseas schooling. Live a better life over there. Where their brothers and sisters are suffering at the hand of definitely go to the court Nigeria. What's up for Ohaneze to fight? To release their own innocent brother. But they always fighting for their own people. And they get it right. They everywhere fight for their own people. They get it right. Now you come out and lament. Begin to lament. Who are you fooling? That's why I tell you I don't have a leader. Who don't have a leader? They are leader of Fulanis. Follow. Foreigner, Fulani. Come here to control you. Tell you what to do in your land. Control your land. And you're happy, follow them. Because you want to belong with them. You want to protect them. You think that everything lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. Tomorrow, may turn around against Nigeria. All I was sending them is let them go with their Nigeria. The Ohaneze to go with their Nigeria. And let Biafra be. So we'll see the new Biafrans. We'll see the new leaders of Biafrans. We'll see the new Ohaneze of Biafra. We'll see the new governors of Biafrans. Not all those ones. All those ones are killers. Or Hanebu, they are killers. Are you understand my point? So whether they like it or not, whether they listen to the or not, or they're holding the Nnamdi Kanu, don't know holy, or don't know holy Nnamdi Kanu. Whatever they like, let them do. If they like, let them kill Nnamdi Kanu. But whatever they sow, they must surely repeat. All whatever they, what they sow against the Easterners, Nigeria will surely repeat at last. Put me, they will repeat at last. All what I need is freedom for Nigeria, nothing more.
Good day, esteemed viewers. We saw the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu appear in court today. He reacted to the 5 killing of the military men in Obigwa, Aba, Abia states, and condemned the killing of the 5 military men, and said the people of IPOB doesn't involve themselves in killings. Now what they stand for is for peace. His lawyer, Ejimako, also said that they are willing to negotiate with the federal government if when called upon. And please let's watch the video on what Nnamdi Kanu said in court today.
I don't want anybody to die. Yes. We are fighting for freedom, then we want people to be free. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more. We've suffered a lot in Africa. I don't know if you know that. Africans have suffered. From slavery in Arabia to slavery in Europe to slavery in America. So I think we should focus our time and devote it towards making sure that this continent stands up to what God promised it is going to be. And that's why we're doing what we are doing.
Thank you. Let's pass.